friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Pace. I'm a mom of two and one in the oven baking. I'm here sharing my real life mom journey. Today I'm taking you along as I do a grocery haul for a family of four. I will show you what to pick up and how I budget and what me I have planned for the week. Then we'll be heading to the splash pad for fun in the sun with the kiddo. It's a busy, fun-filled day, so grab a snack or a coffee and hang out with us.
Several days later.
Okay, great. Under the golden light, moon moving slow, feeling so right. Barefoot steps, rhythm in the air. In this summer heat, we don't care. Feel the breezes lifting us high, chasing the waves, touching the sky. Together we rise, no looking back. This summer vibe is on the right track. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat, dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown. Oh, summer vibes, we're feeling alive.
I love them just be little, running through the water and living their best summer life. These are the moments I will remember most, simply joyful and a little messy, but so worth it. If you're a mama like me, you know how special these moments are. They ran and they got soaked, but honestly, they had the best time. It's days like this that remind me how much joy there is in just letting things be kids.
Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown. Oh, summer vibes, we're feeling alive, summer vibes. The sun gets low, but we're still here. The night is young, the stars are near. Every moment so wild and free. This is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night. We're glowing bright, hearts so light. Every breath, every smile. In this moment we go wild. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat. Dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown.
Thank you so much for spending the day with us. If you enjoyed this vlog, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real life mom content, grocery haul and toddler adventure. Let me know in the comments how your summer is going. Until next time, stay safe, stay cool and give your little one some extra hug today. Bye.